I would like to take this opportunity to remind one another about the recent incident that took place in Kashmir on April 22nd, 2025. A brutal terrorist attack in popular tourist destination of Pahalgam in Anantnag district. This unfortunate event serves as a stark reminder of the challenges that persist in a region and the need for the continued efforts towards peace and stability. Our thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved families and those who are affected by this tragedy. We believe in nurturing not just academic excellence, but also a deep sense of social responsibility in our students. Today, we want to shine a light on the dedicated efforts of our Josh and organ donation team. I would like to proudly call the Josh and organ donation team, Mehika and Shraddha, to come on stage to brief us on the projects they undertook.
Good morning, everyone. We are the students of grade 12, Mehika Arya and Shraddha Pratani. So, last year, the students of grade 11 launched projects under Josh, Joy of Sharing Happiness, that included Stray Parivar, supporting stray animals through rescue aid and reflective collars. Empowering through emotions, teaching the students of Sarvajanik Vidyalaya about financial literacy and life skills. The Lal Kranti project, empowering women and girls through menstrual health education and dialogue. Echoes of Hope, building mental health awareness among 30 students through interactive games. Support our cause. The VGC Club and Art Club students have created few items for sale and the proceedings will go to Josh funds. Your purchase will help us reach our target of Rs 2 lakhs for the Sarvajanik Vidyalaya Telav. We appreciate your support.
The cycle of life and death is a beautiful, undeniable phenomenon that lies in the hands of the Supreme Almighty. But saving lives is in our hands, and we do that through the greatest act of love, donating our organs.
At AGS, we believe in making the difficult possible. So, all our efforts are directed towards increasing the number of organ donors and decreasing the number of deaths resulting due to the inavailability of organs for transplant.
Even though millions of people have registered themselves to become organ donors, very few of us have the ability to share the gift of life.
Therefore, we invite all parents to visit our stall in collaboration with Shatayu NGO to learn more and take a step forward towards becoming heroes beyond life. So, let's build a future where no life is lost waiting. Be the reason someone lives. Pledge to donate.
So, as they say, जब हम चले जाए संसार से, क्यों ना छोड़ जाए कुछ प्यार से. एक तन एक जीवन बचा सकता है और मृत्यु के बाद भी अमर बना सकता है. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehika and Shraddha. A round of applause for the team. We are fortunate to have Deepak Bhai, the founder of Shatayu, the Gift of Life trustee with us.
We are glad to announce that the Rubik Cube team of 29 students have skillfully used 625 cubes to create an image of our Honorable Harsh Sanghvi ji, the Home Minister of Gujarat. Also, the String Nail Art Group and Bindi Art students have created a portrait of him. A round of applause for their mesmerizing creativity, patience and precision. Now, I would request everyone to please come on the stage for a group photograph. We are glad to announce that the Rubik Cube team of 29 students have skillfully used 625 cubes to create an image of our Honorable Harsh Sanghvi ji, the Home Minister of Gujarat. Also, the String Nail Art Group and Bindi Art students have created a portrait of him. A big round of applause for the whole team.